I'm Ashlyn and my husband is Zach, and we're traveling A to Z. Join us this week as we take a Norwegian cruise to Alaska. Last week, on part 1 of the Norwegian Cruise Line boat tour, we showed you the process of getting on the boat, we gave you a room tour, and showed you a little bit of information about the Norwegian Encore and how it was built. This week, we're going to give you a tour of the inside of the Norwegian Encore.
We're on a boat!
To Alaska! Actually gonna go to the buffet and get lunch. Garden Cafe. This is the Garden Cafe. It is huge. Everything you can imagine buffet they have. There's so much food, I don't even know where to start. I think this is the end though. Oh my gosh.
We still have to make the loop.
We have to make the loop? There's more on the other side?
I would assume so.
They have like an Indian section, an Italian section, pizza section, main meal section, like pasta, everything. Eventually I'm just gonna have to take a plane and start somewhere. After lunch, we headed to the gym and to the spa to go check them out. They have a really nice gym with lots of machines and weights. Oh, we could run and watch the whales.
Yeah, that's true. This is $1,000 view while they're on the treadmill machine.
This is the spa. They have a barbershop, they have facials, they have massages. These are super nice. These are spa hot tubs, but you have to pay extra to be in here. But look at the hot tub. It's amazing. And the view is amazing. Look at that view. We're getting a couples massage, and this is the view. This is supposed to be the best massage room on the boat, and the massage was amazing. This is a fun little diner that is mainly for lunch. This diner is not included and costs money to eat here. If you have the free at sea, you could use one of your credits to eat here if you want. They have a speedway. Speedway kind of weaves in and out on different floors. Look at that. If you want to ride the go-karts, make sure to get a reservation for them ahead of time. They then give you an introduction video and a little headpiece and helmet to wear. We're riding go-karts in the middle of the ocean on a cruise ship. I mean, how cool is that? Unfortunately, they would not let me record the go-kart ride, but it was a lot of fun and I highly recommend it. Here's the laser tag. It looks like they have little things to hide behind. This is pretty cool. The floor is padded, so when you fall and you're running really hard to like get other people out with laser tag, you don't hurt yourself. One of the main things to do when you're outside besides go-kart riding and laser tag is go in the pool. Pools and splash zones for kids, and then there's other water slides. That one over here looks intense though. And they just let them go. Oh. There's the hot tubs on the 16th floor, and then here's the jogging track. 5 laps equals 1 kilometer, or 8 laps is 1 mile. So we're currently on the 15th floor observation deck, checking it out. They have little snacks and hopefully a bar, because they have like 20 bars on here.
17.
Oh, sorry, 17 bars here. And a Starbucks bar.
Well, the Starbucks is 17.
Oh, so they have 17 drink places, which include bars and Starbucks. So we're on level 8, which has like a lot of the restaurants, and wine bar, and whiskey bar, and Italian bar. That's a mojito bar. And of course, diamonds are a girl's best friend. The boat has quite a few shops, especially jewelry stores. They have a nice little casino area, and when at sea, you could gamble. This is the Manhattan. So this is one of the free sit-down restaurants that you could go to. The Local is a bar that's open 24/7 and has bar food, and it overlooks the atrium that has singers and usually game shows.
Ladies and gentlemen, come on, make some noise for Team Blue! How about let's cheer it as well for the Team Blue! To make your airplane. Not yet, don't do it yet. We're all gonna do it at the same time with the chants. 3, 2, 1, fly! Yeah!
Yeah.
Get up for the lady!
Near the atrium, they have the guest services and also have information about new cruises, shore excursions, along with the internet cafe.
Every day they have an art auction. You could buy some original pieces, most are copies, but it's pretty neat. Kind of a fun little activity to do while you're on the boat. Found another bar. This is a beer bar.
This bar seemed a little hidden, but it had great views and less people.
This is the fancy Italian restaurant that you have to use your dining credits for.
I got a mushroom ravioli and Zach got a lasagna. We then got an amazing dessert of ice creams and biscotti and an ice cream and chocolate cake. On the cruise ship, they have a large theater that shows shows almost every night. These are free shows. One of them was a Broadway show, Kinky Boots. They also had A Choir of Man, which was a musical that had dancing and singing. I hope you enjoyed the tour around the Encore Norwegian Cruise. Join us next week as we take the Norwegian Cruise Line tour through Juneau, visiting the hatchery, the gardens, and the glacier. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe below to follow more of our adventures.